How to stop ads in Yahoo Mail Inbox. In this tutorial, I'll show you the official options available to remove or reduce ads in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. Open the official Yahoo Mail website and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture or initials. Next, select Account Setting. If you don't see these options, make sure you're using the latest Yahoo Mail interface, or try opening Yahoo Mail in a desktop browser. Now, look for Subscriptions and select it. Then click Explore Subscriptions. Look for Yahoo Mail Plus. Yahoo Mail Plus may include an ad-free inbox, along with other features, depending on your region and current plan. If the option is available, review the price and subscription terms, then choose the available trial or subscription option if you want to remove ads completely. Make sure you review the renewal price and cancellation terms before starting a trial. If you don't want to subscribe, you can still reduce some ad clutter. When an ad appears in your inbox, look for the X or three-dot menu on the ad. Depending on the available options, choose something like Dislike this ad or Stop seeing this ad. Keep in mind that these controls may only hide or reduce specific ads. They won't completely remove all advertisements from the free version of Yahoo Mail. And that's it. You can either use Yahoo Mail's available ad-free subscription option or use the ad controls to reduce unwanted advertisements in your inbox. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Yahoo Mail and email tutorials.